koutou, ko Ben ahau. I am Ben.
And my WINTON School, called jazel ahau. I am Jazel, and welcome to the N.E.W.S news for right up the 13th of April.
Okay, let's start the day with the kupu or te wiki. This week's word is kura, which is te reo for school.
As in, he pai toku kura. My school's a good school.
On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is low all day.
But remember your potae at interval and lunchtime.
Oh my gosh, I forgot my potae.
It's sitting right there.
Oh gee, thank you. Hi VIZ Vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise. Your 5 to 8s are allowed over the road to play at intervals.
Make sure you cross Eglinton St at the pedestrian crossing carefully.
Let's talk about that, koutou. There are 2 crossings, Clyde Street and Eglinton St.
Both are managed after school by the Year 7 Road Patrol team.
Staff are supervising, so use the crossings. Not halfway down Eglinton St, koutou.
Still, with health and safety news, when playing in the nature area, please leave the edging sleepers in place.
They're there for a reason, so leave them in place, please.
Touch news. When WINTON wombles, you have a practice at playtime. Please meet at the library steps.
And WINTON Warriors, please meet Chloe and Casey in the junior lunch area after you've finished your lunch. Kura.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again, or read all the notices in the text box below. Wrong way.
Oopsies. And that's it today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā, and stay sharp, WINTON School.